Have you wondered if all of this is real? Is there more than just the gurus talking? I've got real world testimonials available for you today. People that are working in the system, working with our advisors and mentors to get themselves going so you can see not words from my mouth, but from theirs. So take a moment, listen to what they have to say. Give us a like if you enjoy the video, comment below, let us know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to be posting more content all the time to teach you how to be successful as an entrepreneur in this e-commerce world, working on YouTube, Shopify, Facebook, and so much more. Give it a listen.
Hi, fellow e-commerce potential salespeople. My name is Ed Kalin. I joined this group just a few days ago, and I'm a very experienced retailer, but brick and mortar. E-commerce is without a doubt the wave of the future. Take my word for it. I've been through dozens of BS scam sites trying to get people to join for a bunch of, I think, rather nefarious reasons, because they really don't work, although they try. And they try and grab your money at the same time. That's all BS. Don't be afraid. Dive in. Have fun, as it should be. When you start reaping the rewards, you'll put a big smile on your face, and next thing you know, you'll be wanting to do more. And before you know it, you'll have more than one store when you see the ease in which this can be done. So do yourself a favor. Don't be one of those, I could have, I should have, or I would have done this. Just go ahead and go for it. I'm sure you'll. I sure do. It took me a while to realize the future of retailing, which is definitely e-commerce. And it's just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Right now, you're on the ground floor, so take advantage of that. Get your feet wet. Just go ahead and do it. Don't be pensive about it or afraid about it. What's the worst that can happen? You erase all the stuff, and it's like you were never there. So, but go for it. I think you'll be most rewarded, and enjoy the ride. Have a great day. Bye.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Penny. I'm new to the e-commerce website here, but I just wanted to let everybody know how great I feel this program is. Ben has been wonderful. A lot of contact with your coach, which is very, very important to help keep your mindset on your new business venture. I've tried it before and it didn't work out. So I've tried this system and I'm working on it and working through the steps. It is great. I highly recommend it, and it does take commitment on your part. But as long as you're committed, with the resources that we have here, I feel you will be a tremendous success, and look forward to coming across you guys on our conference calls. Hopefully get to see you at some point, but I'm in Florida and a lot of us are all over the country. So good luck with your new venture. I wish you all the best of luck, and I think you've made a great choice with e-commerce. Thanks.
Hey, you know what? This program is very, very, very awesome. All I can say to anyone that is really wanting to go forth, make a difference, get on something that's cutting edge, something that is going to be around for a while, you definitely need to get and take a look at this here program. It's totally, totally awesome. I'm just liking the smoothness of it all. It keeps you really involved, very engaged. It keeps you dedicated. It keeps you motivated. It keeps you going forth. And I really love my coach, Ben. He's totally, totally awesome. So again, for anyone who's on the fence, don't be. Give this a go. Let this be your season of transformation, growth, rebirth, for yourself. It's just totally, totally awesome. Teo's awesome as well. And I'm just tapping into all that it has to offer. It's a lot to consume in. It's like a buffet. Pretty much, you don't know what you really want to take in or what can you take in, but it's there for you if you want it, and that's the awesome thing about it. So I guess after this course, um, and just going through the steps and staying like dedicated, focused, and seeing it out. Um, I'm gonna be kind of really stoked for myself, really kind of proud of myself to have um, stayed with it and kind of seen the fruits of my labor, so to speak. Or it's almost like I'm carrying a child for 9 months, and then all of a sudden, you're like, oh wow, it's you, type of thing. So that's where I'm at with this. So um, again, just anyone that's on the fence, don't be. We all have to make changes in our lives at some point or the other, and let this be something that you really, really consider with My Econ Club. It is really, 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 really nice thus far. I really, like I said, I really like it. It just really keeps you engaged. It keeps you dedicated. It keeps you focused on the task at hand. Um, you know, so you can finish it. You can go forth and really, really just smash it with this. The content is really nice too. I'm learning a lot of different things that um, I was blind to, ignorant to, and just didn't know anything about it when it came to, setting up a store and just different things like that, marketing and different things, and knowing how to put yourself out there in the right way, finding niches and all those kind of things, and just not being out there just half cocked, but being out there where um, you definitely want to see something at the end of the day. So that's where it really counts. You might have thousands of other people that is doing what you're doing, but at least you know that you're having the right type of training and support, that you're going to be up there and you're going to see something at the end of the day. And that's what I need. um, my change is coming, and I'm just really stoked. So anyone um, that's afraid, don't be. Embrace this. Let this be your new cup of tea, your new cup of coffee, and just take it for all that it has to offer you, and just watch it. Like, and that's where I'm at. I'm just really stoked. Like, could this be me? Not too long from now, um, doing something that I really didn't believe that I could really accomplish or achieve. And hopefully I can make some more videos and saying, you know what, I did it. It might have been 7 months later, whatever, but I could say I did it. So yeah, thank you, My Econ. It was really an eye opener, and I really look forward to going through this course and seeing my new birth.